Hi, I'm Tina, and I'm an AI influencer. Follow these steps, and you can create an AI influencer like me.
Are you ready to create your own AI influencer? In this video, I'll show you how to generate a stunning AI image and turn it into an animated video, perfect for Instagram, TikTok, or any social media. Let's dive in and unlock the power of AI creativity. Let's get started by opening Google and searching for ChatGPT. Click on the very first link to access the main ChatGPT dashboard. To create our AI influencer image, enter a prompt like, create an image of a beautiful AI-generated Russian girl, cute and charming, with striking blue eyes that stand out vividly. She has a fair, glowing complexion and soft, natural makeup that enhances her youthful beauty. Her hair is slightly wavy and neatly frames her face. She's wearing a modern, stylish outfit that complements her look, giving her a confident yet approachable appearance. The background is softly lit, enhancing her elegance and making her the clear focus of the scene. Real Street, high-quality portrait, 4K resolution. Press enter and wait a few seconds for the AI to generate your influencer image. Once it's ready, you'll see a stunning, high-quality portrait. If needed, you can edit the image to your liking. When you're satisfied, click the download icon to save the image to your device. Next, open a new tab and search for Google Flow. Click the first link to access the platform. Google Flow allows you to create the next wave of storytelling with video. Click on Create with Flow, then start a new project. On the main dashboard, you'll see options to generate videos using text, generate videos using frames, or to integrate existing videos. For this demonstration, select Frame to Video. Now, go back to ChatGPT and type a video prompt for your AI influencer to speak, such as, "Hi, I'm Tina, and I'm an AI influencer." Follow these steps to create an influencer like me. Press enter and wait a few seconds for your video prompt to be generated. Once it's ready, copy the video prompt. Go back to Google Flow and click on Attach File. Here you can generate an image or upload a photo. For this demo, choose to upload a photo. Select your AI influencer image and click Open. You can crop and adjust the image as needed, then click Crop and Save. Once your image is uploaded, you can select the output format and the number of variations you want. You can also change the model if needed. Each generation uses credits, so keep an eye on your balance. Now, paste the video prompt you copied from ChatGPT. When everything is set, press Enter. Google Flow will take a few seconds to generate your video, so be patient. Once your AI influencer video is ready, you can download it, view it in full screen, or add more scenes as needed. Now let's play the video.
Hi, I'm Tina, and I'm an AI influencer. Follow these steps, and you can create an AI influencer like me.
Wow, the video is awesome. To download, simply click the download button and choose your preferred format, animated, original size, or upscaled. For the final step, open any video editor and upload your AI influencer video. For Instagram or TikTok, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, then adjust your video accordingly. Now your AI influencer video is ready to share. By using different AI image generation tools to create your influencer image, and then animating it with Google Flow, you can easily create your own AI influencer videos. With these 3 simple steps, you can create and post your own AI influencer videos on social media and start building your presence. Try out these amazing AI tools for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad for the latest updates on AI tools and trends. See you in the next video.